Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I have some fall decorations. So we did a little shopping haul at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the items we purchased. By the way, my name is Marissa, so if you're new to our channel, and
my name is Myra.
And if you guys haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and then always turn on your notifications, because with these decorations I will be doing a DIY with a couple of the items, so you guys can get notified as soon as those videos go up. So I want to start off with this beautiful sign that you guys probably saw at the beginning. So it says welcome friends. So welcome friends to our YouTube channel.
Welcome.
I thought this was very cute to like put at the entrance of the living room. You can decorate it with like some leaves, or you can just leave it like that by itself. Which by the leaves, I mean these. So this comes in a pack of 50. I'll show you like the pack. So it comes in a pack like this. It has 50, so it's like maple leaves, so you can do a lot of things with these, but you can even just like put them around and decorate like that, or you can actually use them to make this is like a vase, but what I was thinking of doing is like putting leaves around it, but I am gonna do the DIY video on how to make that, so stay tuned for that. But this was even purchased at the Dollar Tree as well, so this one was there. You can even do it with a mug, or like you can put the leaves around it, or you can even just use it.
Oh, it looks cute if you put like three leaves, but we'll show more like that.
Yeah, and then maybe we can tie something around it too. But stay tuned for those videos. Going back, so we did buy these maple leaves, but they do come in multiples. So you can just even put them standing probably like that, or you can separate them and do something else with them. There's a lot of creative things that you can do with just this as $1. And definitely get it at the Dollar Tree, because at Walmart, I think it's like $3 for a little bundle like this. So these are just like leaves. This one, I thought the color was super nice. It's like a creamy beige color, so you can definitely blend it with all the greens and the oranges. So this one's very cute. This one is orange. I don't even know why I bought so many, but I fell in love with all the colors, so I just bought them all. These are little pumpkins, so you can use these as little you can use these as little stuffers. So if you just want to do like a bundle of flowers in one of these vases and then put like these pumpkins in it, it will pop out. So it will be like your fall little vase. That's just one of the ideas you can use. Oh, more flowers, we'll put it in here. Something else that I found that I thought was super cute are these LED lights. So it comes in, I haven't even untangled it, but technically it's just long and you can elect it and it turns on.
Well, if you put batteries.
Oh, if you buy batteries, I forgot to buy batteries.
I have some, but you're gonna show it on the what is it called?
DIY.
DIY.
So I'll show you guys how these look as soon as I buy batteries. Apparently I didn't.
You really want to know what I was gonna say? The DUI.
So I'll show you guys as soon as I get batteries for that. It's actually 3 feet, so if you have like a 2-story house, I thought it would be like super cute to like wrap around your when you're coming down the stairs, like on your stairway. So I thought that was super cute. I found candles, guys. Look at how cute they are. They're like super decorative. They have this little, I don't know what this is called, but I thought it was super cute. So I bought 2 of those because I'm thinking of making something with that. So I bought 2. They did have some in green and some in red, but they smell nasty. So these smell better. These smell like pumpkin. So the other ones didn't smell good. Don't buy those. And then I did buy some LED peelers because I will be doing something with that. This one actually turns on, but this one I didn't notice I was missing the bottom part, so I have to figure out what exactly I'm gonna do with this one. I felt bad returning it because it was only $1, so I'll figure out something to do with that one. I found this metallic ribbon that most likely is gonna be DIY for 2 things, so stay tuned, because you can probably use these to wrap this around and make something very cute. Or you can also get a $1 frame from the Dollar Tree and then you're gonna put this metallic ribbon, hold on. I'm like, hold on. You're gonna put this metallic ribbon in the back, which is gonna be your background. And then I did find these little cute stencils that say welcome. There's another one that says, where'd it go? Oh, here they are. So there's 3 stencils that come in a pack for $1. That first one says welcome. This one here says thankful. And then this one here says harvest. So you can definitely do 3 different frames differently, but I'm gonna use the thankful one for the DIY. Maybe the harvest one, since it is for Thanksgiving. And in case you wanna do one for like your bedroom or your living room area, you can definitely use the welcome one. And it's all from the Dollar Tree, guys. All for $1. Next, this one I thought was so cute. Can you pass me that? I forgot what this is called, so I have to read it. It is called garland. There we go. So this is a maple leaf garland, so you can use it just to wrap it around. Say you want to do like a centerpiece decoration in the middle, and then you want to put this around it, you can do that. Or like I mentioned, if you have a 2-story house, you can wrap it around your stairs, and I thought that was super cute. So we have that. We have little pumpkins. You can do a lot of things with little tiny pumpkins. So this one is very cute. These are glittered. So this one's a gold one. And this one here is orange. So I'm thinking of making something with this. I have too many ideas, guys. Just stay tuned. And then we did buy these little candles. These actually turn on as well. They're like a mini version of this. So,
and I was just being metiche and I have things to do.
Peace. Oh, she's like, I'm leaving already. So these all actually have to go there. Yeah, so these actually turn on. So as soon as I do the DIY that I have an idea for this is most likely going to be glued in the middle, and then the leaves are going to be on the outside. It's going to look very nice. So that was for that. Oh, I already showed you guys what I did, right? Did I show these little pumpkins? I think I did. And then after that, I think I showed you guys everything, because these are just more leaves. So I ended up buying 150 leaves because I'm going to need a couple of leaves for this one, a couple of leaves for this one. Maybe I'll put more leaves on my frame, so I have multiple leaves, so I have 150 of them. And then I'm definitely going to use this metallic wrap for 2 of my DIYs. So then I threw the hot glue gun in here because I know I'm going to definitely need this for the DIYs. And then this little bin that I'm using was from the Dollar Tree too, guys. So if you guys need something to save your guys' stuff, get it at the Dollar Tree. So like I mentioned throughout the video, stay tuned because I am going to be making like 2 or 3, maybe even 4 DIYs with everything that was purchased at the Dollar Tree. I did want to do the haul first, just because if you find something at the Dollar Tree, you have to make sure you buy it in that second. So if you guys like any of these decorations and are thinking about how the DIYs are going to look, make sure you go to your local Dollar Tree like now or like tomorrow, so you can make sure you find all of the stuff that I have here. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Are you gonna come back in now?
And like always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys.
It's like, comment, share, and
okay,
subscribe.
whatever. They know what we need. But thank
Alrighty.
you guys. We love you guys for watching our videos.
And we will be back. Not messy.
She was not thirsty at the moment, how I told you guys that she was. She got this jar. She could get this, then she could put this, I'm guessing. She could get this. Hey, esto me estás interrumpiendo. She has this thing that she could probably hang like in my desk. Oh, and then she has these little candles that she could put in here, and then I believe they like glow up or something.
That one's actually broken, but it was $1, so I felt bad returning it.
Oh, it's right. Oh, oh, fancy. Okay. And then she bought some of these that she's gonna put in here in the broken one.
No.
So she has this. Don't be getting my stuff. And then she has these things to hang all over her wall.
You're stupid. This is
Mom.